This comprehensive guide explores the most popular and innovative blind styles available today, breaking down their unique features, benefits, and ideal applications to help you make informed decisions for every room in your home. Let's dive into the world of modern window treatments and discover which styles will perfectly complement your lifestyle and enhance your living space. Vertical blinds, perfect for large windows. Vertical blinds remain one of the most practical solutions for sliding glass doors and expansive windows. These blinds feature vertical slats that hang from a track system, providing excellent light control and easy operation. The slats rotate to adjust light levels or draw completely to one side for full window access. Modern vertical blinds come in various materials including fabric, vinyl, aluminum, and faux wood. Fabric options add warmth and texture, while vinyl blinds excel in high moisture areas like bathrooms. Track systems have improved significantly, featuring smooth gliding mechanisms that handle heavy fabrics effortlessly. Horizontal blinds, the timeless classic. Horizontal blinds represent the most recognizable window treatment, earning popularity through decades of reliable performance. Available in aluminum, wood, and faux wood materials, they offer precise light control through adjustable slats that tilt to direct sunlight exactly where needed. Aluminum horizontal blinds provide excellent value with lightweight construction and extensive color options. Wood blinds offer natural beauty and insulation properties but require more maintenance. Faux wood blinds bridge this gap, providing wood-like appearance with superior moisture resistance and durability. Venetian blinds, sophisticated elegance. Venetian blinds distinguish themselves through wider slats, typically 2 to 3 inches, and premium materials that elevate them beyond basic horizontal blinds. The increased slat width creates bold horizontal lines while providing superior light control and showcasing high-quality materials beautifully. Premium wood species like cherry, oak, and mahogany offer rich colors and distinctive grain patterns. Aluminum Venetian blinds provide contemporary alternatives with brushed metals and custom powder coat finishes. Modern Venetian blinds increasingly feature cordless operation and motorized systems with smart home integration capabilities. Roller blinds, sleek simplicity. Roller blinds embody minimalist design principles through their streamlined operation and clean appearance. A single piece of fabric rolls up and down on a cylinder mechanism, creating uncluttered window coverage that complements contemporary interiors. Fabric selection determines functionality, ranging from sheer materials for gentle light filtering to blackout fabrics for complete darkness. Solar shades represent a specialized category designed to reduce heat gain while preserving outward views. Dual roller systems have gained popularity, combining blackout and light filtering fabrics in single installations. Roman shades, fabric elegance. Roman shades combine the soft beauty of fabric window treatments with the operational convenience of blinds. When raised, fabric folds into neat horizontal pleats, creating attractive valance effects. When lowered, they provide smooth coverage that showcases fabric patterns and textures. Construction styles include flat Romans for contemporary looks, hobbled Romans with permanent folds for traditional appeal, and balloon Romans featuring curved bottom edges for romantic aesthetics. Operating systems have evolved beyond cord controls to include motorized systems that eliminate safety concerns while providing convenient operation. Panel track blinds, modern architecture. Panel track blinds feature large fabric panels that slide along tracks, creating sophisticated window treatments perfect for contemporary spaces and sliding glass doors. Clean architectural lines complement modern interiors while providing effective light control and privacy. Multi-track configurations enable complex layering effects with different fabric weights and transparency levels. Motorization systems provide smooth operation for large installations, while smart home integration enables automated control based on time schedules or environmental conditions. Cellular shades, energy efficiency leaders. Cellular shades feature unique honeycomb construction that traps air in hexagonal pockets, providing superior insulation and energy efficiency. These shades can reduce heating and cooling costs by up to 40% while offering excellent light control options. Single-cell construction provides basic insulation benefits with compact stacking heights. Double-cell designs offer enhanced thermal performance through additional air layers, while triple-cell construction delivers maximum insulation for extreme climates. Top-down, bottom-up operation allows flexible light control, lowering the top for natural light while maintaining privacy below. Smart blinds and 2026 innovations. Technology integration has transformed window blinds into active components of smart home systems. Automated operation based on sunrise/sunset times, weather conditions, and program schedules optimizes comfort and energy efficiency. Voice control through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit provides convenient operation while smartphone apps enable remote control and monitoring. Sustainability trends include recycled materials, bamboo construction, and solar-powered motorization systems. Bold colors and patterns have gained popularity, replacing the traditional preference for neutral tones. Room-by-room selection guide. Living rooms benefit from faux wood blinds or panel tracks that provide style and flexible light control. Smart features add convenience for entertainment areas. Kitchens require easy clean materials like aluminum or faux wood that resist moisture and cooking residues. Bedrooms need effective light blocking for quality sleep. Cellular blackout shades or blackout roller blinds work excellently. Cordless operation ensures safety, especially important in children's rooms. Bathrooms demand moisture-resistant materials with faux wood or aluminum blinds being ideal choices. Home offices require glare reduction while maintaining outdoor views. Solar shades or light-filtering cellular shades create comfortable working conditions. Installation and maintenance. Proper measurement and installation ensure optimal performance and appearance. Inside mount installations provide clean, integrated looks, while outside mount options can make windows appear larger. Professional installation is recommended for large or motorized systems. Maintenance varies by material but generally involves regular dusting and periodic deep cleaning. Aluminum and faux wood blinds clean easily with damp cloths, while fabric treatments may require professional cleaning. And that's your complete guide to window blinds in 2026. From smart automation and energy-efficient cellular shades to timeless Venetian elegance, this year offers solutions for every home and style. Like this video, subscribe for more home design tips, and tell us in the comments, which 2026 blind trend caught your eye?